My name is Heather French. I am the Business Development Account Manager here in Denver, Colorado for ESP. My job is to go out and knock on doors and uncover rocks and gems and be able to meet amazing companies and people that potentially could utilize our services. So I've known the owner since I was in my early 20s when he said that he was growing his company and it was time for him to kind of hand off the baton and hiring a local person. I knew that I could trust his process because of his values and integrity and the way he is as a person. It felt so right and moving to say yes and to come on board and to be a part of this. I'm a movie buff person, and I'm gonna date myself again a little bit. We're like the team Armageddon. You've seen it where, you have every guy and every girl that has their individual skill sets, all of them collectively. I've never seen such a community of just team people that truly take value and pride in what they do in delivering and showing up and being there and serving our clients. They're the heart. They're the heart that beats with the company, and I just kind of get to jump in and be a part of it and say, I got a team. I have the people that when you're stuck on the side of the road at 3 a.m. and you have one phone call, like who would it be? I know it would be ESP. You can call anybody from top down, middle up, whatever you want to say. If you call at 3 a.m., somebody's going to answer and they're going to show up and they're going to be there. And that's what's just truly honorable about working here at ESP. I can't wait to see where this company goes. I think that the executive team that Chris has put into place as he continues to grow, what amazes me and makes me so proud as his friend and as his employee is to see that he is putting leadership in place that will help us get to the next level. And what does that mean, the next level? We're not just renting a heater out to somebody. We actually are able to walk into a young and inspiring growing company. Maybe it's a small GC or a restoration company, and walk in and be an arm or extension for them to be able to have a business. Like to wake up and go, oh my God, I can't afford to do all these things and hire all these amazing people and have this equipment, but I have ESP, so yes, I can. As a company, being able to help other companies grow and watch them become successful, going back to our ownership, I think he finds so much pride and joy in seeing his employees grow, but his clients grow as well is just as important. My parting message to clients, potential clients, is thank you first and foremost for allowing us to be, in your space beside you, working alongside you, whether we're taking direction or we're offering, guidance and suggestions. Thank you for allowing us for the opportunity just to be a part of that. And for potential new clients, we would love the opportunity to sit down with you or go alongside you and give presentations to be an extension of you or whatever it is that's going to help you grow and be successful. That's what we're here to do. We're here to help. We're here to help and guide and support as many people as we can.